Hello, welcome to Gladdy Tech YouTube channel. In this video, we're talking about how to download and create Phantom wallet. So the first thing you have to do is to type on your Play Store if you are making use of your Android device. I just have to click on search option and type in Phantom wallet. So the reason why my Phantom wallet is showing the option of open is because I've already installed it, downloaded and installed it on my device. So the next thing I have to do is to click on open in order to open it. But if you have not installed it on your device, it's going to be showing you an option for you to tap on install, which you just have to click on the install option in order to install it on your device. So since I've installed mine on my device, I just have to tap on open. So clicking on open is going to bring an option for me to agree to the terms of service, which I have to click on the circle shape there in order to indicate that I have agreed to the terms of service. And next thing I have to do is to click on create a new wallet. Clicking on it, you're going to see the different secret phrase that I'm going to be making use of for this my particular wallet. Clicking on it, so the next thing I have to do here is tap on OK. I saved it somewhere. Yes, you can see now you are all done. You can now fully enjoy your wallet. So the next thing I have to do is to click on get started. Clicking on get started, I just have to click on enable in order to enable instant updates and also not on to send you notification. So you can see I have created my Phantom wallet, which I can now make use of. So guys, that is it on how to create Phantom wallet. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, do well to like, subscribe, share, and do not forget to hit the notification bell to always get notified anytime I upload helpful tips like this. Thanks for